The activity we're doing now is creating an equation into our Google slide. And what you need to do is, can you guess? Right. We're going to insert a text box. Our text box is found on our toolbar, and it is the square with the T in it. You're going to go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to bring over your Now plus, and you're going to hold down and drag it across so that you have a text box. And within the text box, we're going to type a 5, a space, the plus sign, a space, a 0, and an equal sign. Can you guess what the answer is? You guessed it. It certainly is 5. 5 plus 0 equals 5. What I want you to do is highlight the box. So how you do that is you click on the box and you click on the fill color. And when I think of a highlighter, I think of super bright pink, super bright blue, and super bright yellow. We're going to highlight the box with the bright yellow. And now the box is highlighted. The next thing we're going to do is align center. Do you remember we did align center? And you can find that if yours is not showing on the bar, on the toolbar, then there might be 3 dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots so that this one with 4 lines opens up. It might be, yours might be down underneath like the file edit area over here on the left hand side. That's okay. We're going to go ahead and click on the arrow, and we're going to go to the align center. And remember, when you hover over them, the words underneath them will tell you what it is. So go ahead and click on it, and now it's in the center. I'm going to go ahead and just make this box a little bit neater. Oh, but I forgot one thing. I need to change the font size to 20. I'm going to double click to highlight my equation, and then I'm going to come up to the toolbar again, and I'm going to look for where I can change the font size. The font size can be found on the toolbar right where you can change the font style. I'm going to go ahead and click the plus button until I get to 20. Oops, I went a little too far. So right there at 20. Now you have a highlighted box for your equation.